Hey there, Jasim here from strumatease, and today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I was originally using Sony's WF-1000XM4s, but for some reason after a firmware upgrade, it decided to give up on me. The batteries drained real fast, and on a full charge, it could barely last 2 hours. Opening the box, you get the earbuds, which seems to be wrapped in paper. On another compartment, you get the USB Type-C charging cable and some extra ear tips. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro comes in 3 different colors: white, war purple, and graphite. The charging case seems to have a matte feel but kind of soft to the touch. The Galaxy devices have a feature that is quite similar to the iPhones and the AirPods, which allows it to detect and pair the earbuds automatically. This also works when you want to pair your earbuds on a PC. Now, when comparing the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with Sony's earbuds, there is a significant difference with the size and weight of the devices. And when it comes to sound quality, I do prefer the Sony's over the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, but not by a huge amount. Hopefully you liked the video, and until next time, cheers.